Here's the peach tree out here. Nice big full peach tree. Except for it's covered in grasshoppers and stink bugs. I don't see any right now actually. Oh, there's a stink bug and a grasshopper, both on the same area. Let's see if I can find them. Yeah, there's it'll focus. There's a stink bug looking right at me. And there's the grasshopper looking right at me. But down there's the trunk. Doing pretty good. It was planted one little stick sapling. Look behind me before I step on a snake. Just like that. Then here's the plum tree. It's getting eaten up by the grasshoppers and stuff too. But still alive. A couple more years and it'll be big and full of fruit. But there's the peach tree. Right in the front. So we're gonna have fruit right in the front. But yeah, that's that. Deuces, y'all. From the peach tree.